He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of youthful charisma, emotional sincerity, and remarkable screen presence, Gordon Cormier didn't simply enter Hollywood as another child actor. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a childhood passion for acting into one of the brightest young careers in modern television. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 8, 2009, in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Gordon Cormier's journey began far from the massive film sets that would eventually shape his career. Raised in a supportive family and proud of his Filipino heritage through his mother, Gordon discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Acting quickly became more than just a hobby. It became the path through which he could tell stories, inspire audiences, and express creativity. His professional career started with commercials and television appearances that introduced him to the entertainment industry. Even in his earliest roles, Gordon impressed casting directors with his confidence, professionalism, and natural emotional range. Each project strengthened his abilities while preparing him for far bigger opportunities. The defining moment of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Aang in the live-action adaptation of Avatar, The Last Airbender. As the young Avatar destined to restore balance to the world, Gordon inherited one of the most beloved characters in animation history. The role required extensive physical training, action choreography, emotional depth, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans. By the time Season 2 entered production, Gordon had grown alongside the character himself. Audiences watched Aang evolve into a stronger leader while Gordon continued developing as an actor capable of balancing humor, vulnerability, courage, and determination. His performance established him as one of Hollywood's most promising young stars and significantly expanded his international recognition. By 2026, Gordon Cormier is widely recognized as one of the entertainment industry's brightest emerging talents. Industry professionals praise his maturity, audiences appreciate his authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly see him as an actor capable of leading major international productions. His career reflects steady development built on discipline rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, Gordon maintains a grounded and balanced lifestyle. Despite achieving worldwide recognition at a young age, he continues focusing on education, family, fitness, and personal growth. His public image reflects humility and gratitude, qualities that have earned him admiration from fans around the world. His fashion style reflects his youthful personality while continuing to mature alongside his career. Whether attending Netflix premieres, fan conventions, interviews, or award events, Gordon presents himself with confidence, simplicity, and authenticity. His approachable style has made him increasingly popular with photographers, entertainment media, and fashion observers. Although public curiosity surrounding his personal life continues to grow, Gordon remains focused primarily on acting and professional development. He consistently chooses to let his performances define his career while maintaining a healthy balance between fame and private life. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and eager to continue learning. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects successful streaming productions, acting projects, commercial appearances, and brand partnerships. More importantly, he has established himself as one of the most valuable young talents in the entertainment industry with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is his genuine personality. Gordon approaches every opportunity with enthusiasm, humility, and careful preparation. Rather than relying solely on the popularity of Avatar, he continues building a reputation based on professionalism, versatility, and authentic performances. Gordon Cormier's journey is defined by steady growth instead of instant fame. From a talented young performer in Vancouver to becoming the face of Netflix's Avatar, The Last Airbender, his rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable promise. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, talented, disciplined, and built for a lasting career. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of Hollywood stars, yet there was always something about him that commanded attention. With a calm confidence, disciplined work ethic, and the ability to portray both strength and vulnerability, Dallas Liu didn't simply become another young actor in the entertainment industry. He gradually established himself as one of Hollywood's most promising talents, transforming years of dedication into performances that resonate with audiences around the world. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 21, 2001, in Los Angeles, California, United States, Dallas Liu discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Alongside acting, he dedicated much of his childhood to martial arts, developing discipline, athleticism, and mental focus. Years of rigorous training not only shaped his character, but also provided the physical skills that would later become a valuable advantage for action-oriented roles in television and film. His professional acting journey began with guest appearances in television series, where he steadily gained experience and refined his craft. Rather than achieving instant fame, Dallas built his career step by step, taking on diverse roles that showcased his versatility and commitment. His performances demonstrated a natural screen presence that quickly attracted the attention of producers and casting directors. A significant milestone came with his role in the acclaimed comedy series Pen 15, where he displayed emotional depth and maturity beyond his years. He later appeared in Marvel Studios' Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings, further expanding his experience in major Hollywood productions and introducing himself to an even broader international audience. The defining chapter of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Prince Zuko in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Portraying one of the franchise's most beloved and complex characters carried enormous expectations. Zuko's journey is built upon conflict, redemption, family, and personal growth, demanding emotional nuance as well as convincing action performance. Dallas embraced the challenge with dedication, honoring the spirit of the original character while bringing his own interpretation to the role. As the series progressed into its second season, his performance reached new heights. Season 2 explores Zuko's internal struggles, evolving relationships, and gradual transformation, allowing Dallas to demonstrate a wider emotional range while performing increasingly demanding action sequences. His commitment to authentic martial arts choreography and character development earned praise from viewers around the world. By 2026, Dallas Liu is regarded as one of Hollywood's fastest-rising young actors. Industry professionals recognize his professionalism, directors value his versatility, and audiences admire his ability to portray emotionally layered characters. His career reflects consistent progress built upon preparation, discipline, and thoughtful role selection. Away from the cameras, Dallas maintains a balanced and active lifestyle. Martial arts continue to influence his daily routine, supporting both physical fitness and mental resilience. He enjoys staying active, traveling, and spending time with family and close friends while maintaining a relatively private personal life despite his growing international recognition. His fashion style reflects modern sophistication with effortless simplicity. Whether attending film premieres, press events, or promotional interviews, Dallas frequently chooses clean, contemporary looks that complement his confident yet approachable personality. His evolving style has also attracted increasing attention within the fashion and entertainment industries. Although public curiosity often extends to his personal relationships, Dallas remains respectful of his privacy. Rather than allowing media speculation to define his image, he consistently places the focus on his acting career, personal development, and the stories he hopes to tell through his work. Colleagues often describe him as dedicated, humble, and easy to work with. As of 2026, Dallas Liu's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, major streaming projects, feature films, endorsements, and public appearances. While still early in his career compared with many established Hollywood actors, his growing international popularity and expanding portfolio indicate remarkable long-term potential. What many fans appreciate most is his authenticity. Whether portraying the determined Prince Zuko or appearing in interviews, Dallas projects sincerity and humility that make him genuinely relatable. His performances are driven not by spectacle alone, but by emotional honesty and careful preparation. Dallas Liu's journey continues to evolve with every new project. From a disciplined young martial artist in Los Angeles to portraying one of television's most iconic characters in Avatar, The Last Airbender, his rise reflects perseverance, passion, and unwavering commitment to his craft. As he continues building his career in 2026, he stands as one of Hollywood's most exciting young stars, focused, versatile, and well-positioned for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.